Hello guys, before starting a video full-fledged, let me share one fact with you. In 2019, Mukesh Ambani got Rs 15 crore salary from Reliance. The electricity bill of his house Antilla came up to be Rs 9 crores. How is he managing to live such a luxurious life with this minimum salary? Though it is not minimum for us. Jokes apart, so the reason behind this is, in 2019, Mukesh Ambani held 293 crore shares of Reliance, and last year Reliance has given a dividend of just Rs 6.5 per share. So for Mukesh Ambani, it was 19,000 crore, his 1 year income. So guys, this is the secret of rich people. I have read a lot of books related to investment and finance in the past years. So basically I want to tell you, for middle class people, their source of income is their salary. For rich people, their source of income is dividends that always grow faster than inflation. For salary, you have to sell your time, but your money works for you for dividends. Rich dad always says poor people work for money and rich people put their money on work. That's why rich people get richer and poor people get poorer. But the main question is, what are dividends? And why the company gives dividends? Can a middle class man get retires based on dividends? Is this income stable? What are the pros and cons of dividends? So guys, whenever we talk about the stock market or investing, many people get afraid and think it is a very difficult thing. Thus, I will answer all these questions in this video in a simple way. Stay tuned with us, otherwise you will remain depending on your salary as an income source. Let's start. What are dividends? If I explain it in short, if you're buying the stock of a company, you become 0.01% owner of that company. And if the company gets a profit, you will be a part of that profit. The board of directors of that company will decide whether to share profit with the shareholders or to retain it. So why do companies pay a dividend? When the company is big and mature and there is no scope for future growth, directors usually pay dividends. One interesting fact is that many stable companies whose business model is stable and profit are growing continuously. They already declare their dividends for the coming years. Many stable companies in India pay a dividend and it is stable. When the company pays a dividend, it is credited in your bank account, similar to your salary. So now I think you must have understood what dividend is. And the most important thing, that when we can earn money from stock in two ways. First, when you buy at a low price and sell at a higher. And second, when you hold the stock. It is the easiest way to earn money in stock market. If you check, in the past 100 years, most of the rich people have earned money by holding stocks. In the stock market, we always hear when to buy a stock and when to sell. But if you check Warren Buffett's record, he has never sold the stock. Actually sold only the poor stock. Usually he buys and holds good stocks. You can take an example of Coca-Cola here. Warren Buffett got dividend even more than the salary of the Coca-Cola CEO. Just because he invested in that stock early and held it. So guys, one question must be popping in your mind. Can we retire early with dividend income? Let's see. When we talk about retirement, 99% of Indians don't think much about it. For us, a retirement plan is our children. For some people, rental property, and for the rest, their savings which gets reduced day by day because of inflation. To invest in real estate, you need huge investment, and nobody talks about stocks as it seems risky. So let's move further. Many people say stocks are risky, but believe me that if you're not investing in stocks, it is risky. Guys, here I am talking about buying and holding the stocks. Means you will hold these stocks for years. Then you will say, if we don't sell the stocks, how will we earn a profit? As I said earlier, by dividends. By simple math, let's understand why dividend income is the best option for retirement. So guys, whenever you buy some good stocks, you can expect approx 15% return for the long term. If you invest just Rs 1000 in the bank at 7% interest, you will get Rs 70 after 1 year and then Rs 70 after 10 years and the same after 20 years. In the stock market, if you're investing Rs 1000 in a stock and the company gives a 2% dividend, then in 1 year, you will get Rs 20 and in 10 years, it will be Rs 81. And if you remain invested, then your stock price at 15% ROI will be Rs 16,000 and dividend around Rs 327 and dividend 2%. So guys, just compare where Rs 70 and Rs 327 are. So the secret here is The early you start investing for the long term, your profit will increase. This technique was understood by Warren Buffett, which is why he has always chosen dividend-paying stocks and invest in the long term. And guys, your capital also increases. In bank FD, you will get rupees 1000 after 20 years, but in stocks, you will get rupees 16,000. So the capital will also grow along with the dividend. If you are young now in your 20s or 30s, by using this strategy, you can easily get retired before your 40th birthday. If you're afraid of losing money in stocks, just create a portfolio of 10 to 15 good companies, or else you can also invest in the dividend paying index where you will not need to research any company. Here is the data I have collected. This is India's past 40 years of data. Here you can see Sensex, India's index here. The growth rate of 30 big average companies is tracked, which has provided an average of 15% of growth, and the most important part is that without dividends. So if you reinvest your dividends, you will get shocked by the profit you will gain. All of this is because of compounding. I will make a video on it soon. Compounding is a long-term game that is not everyone's cup of tea because it needs patience. Warren Buffett writes a letter to all his shareholders every year. He wrote one amazing quote. The stock market is a device for transferring money from impatience to patience. If you keep patience, you will earn a good profit. You can check a record of Warren Buffett. This dividend concept is not new. Almost 150 years ago, the world's richest man said, "Do you know one thing that gives me pleasure? It is to see my dividends coming in." He said this because middle class people get income message only from one company, but rich people get income messages from various companies. Lastly, investing is simple but not easy. It is made complicated by brokers, news, fake coaches, and bad advisors who want to earn money from you and fool you. For some people, investing will always be difficult, such as who are greedy, don't use common sense, and think for the short term. Investing is all about common sense, and I think this is the easiest way to get rich. You will have to learn a little bit about finance, and you should be financially unbreakable. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you.